In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Squarespace. Easy 2022. We'll start inside your Squarespace dashboard. Open your new site so you're viewing the main settings panel. On the left-hand side, find Invoicing. This is where Squarespace lets you collect payments without building a full storefront, which is great for services, one-off products, or quick deposits. Next, choose Pay Links. Pay links generate a secure checkout page you can share anywhere, email, text, or a button on your site, so customers can pay in just a few clicks. Before you can take payments, you need to connect a processor. Click Connect, then select the option to connect Stripe. Stripe is the gateway that enables all major credit cards, Apple Pay, and Afterpay/ClearPay, depending on your region and eligibility. Follow the prompts to authorize Stripe and return to Squarespace. If Stripe asks for business details to verify your account, have your legal name, business address, and bank info ready. When you're back in your Squarespace payment settings, you should see Stripe marked as connected. Head back to Pay Links and click Create Pay Link. You'll land on a form to define what you're selling. Give your item a clear title and a short, helpful description so customers know exactly what they're paying for. Enter the price and, if applicable, set quantity rules or leave it open for a single purchase. Choose the correct item type. If you're collecting payment for coaching, consulting, or any non-shippable offer, select Service. If it's a shippable item, select Physical. You can toggle between these until you see the options that match your use case. Services keep things simple, no shipping fields. Physical items add shipping-related fields so customers can provide an address. Open settings to review any additional options relevant to your item type, such as tax behavior or fulfillment details. Keeping these accurate avoids surprises at checkout. Add a visual to build trust. Click Add an image, then select from Library to choose an existing image, or upload a new one. Pick something that represents the product or service clearly, and make sure it's well lit and high resolution. A compelling image helps reduce hesitation and improves conversion. When everything looks good, return to the Pay Links home to see your newly created link listed. Finally, publish your site so the payment experience is live and accessible. Publishing ensures your checkout pages work reliably for your customers. That's it. You've connected Stripe, created a Pay Link, and set up a clean, secure way to accept credit card payments on Squarespace.